Thursday, we have a cold front approaching the southwestern Cape. Ahead of this cold front, foggy conditions expected along the western coast, as well as over the interior of the western and eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, the Highveld, and around the eastern escarpment, with light showers possible ahead of this cold front over the southwestern Cape. Isolated showers and thunderstorms later possible over part of the northern Cape, the eastern Cape, around Lesotho, the Highveld, and the eastern escarpment, with this cold front arriving late on Thursday evening, overnight into Friday morning, bringing light showers to the southwestern Cape with drizzle possible along the western coast. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible ahead of this cold front stretching here over Namibia, part of the northern Cape, the Free State, the eastern Cape, becoming scattered around the escarpment in KwaZulu-Natal, with a few isolated thunderstorms later moving around the escarpment into Limpopo after a morning of drizzle around the eastern escarpment in Limpopo. A poor PB harvest along the western coast due to the foggy and cloudy conditions, otherwise an average PB harvest in areas where we are expecting thunderstorms into the afternoon. Northeasterly winds picking up and blowing fresh along the eastern coast, with northwesterly winds blowing fresh ahead of this cold front over the western interior as well as around the southwestern coast. Temperatures only in the mid-20s expected for the southwestern coast, with 24 the afternoon in Cape Town. A few light showers possible for the southwestern coast with partly cloudy skies. Otherwise, a windy afternoon over the interior with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s in parts of the Karoo after an extremely hot day with 37 in Beaufort West and Crawford. A few isolated thunderstorms is possible into late afternoon. Foggy at first over the interior of the Eastern Cape, later isolated thunderstorms possible, becoming scattered over the extreme northeastern regions with temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius and northeasterly winds blowing fresh at times along the eastern coast, temperatures in the upper 20s. In KwaZulu-Natal, a hot and humid day in store with scattered thunderstorms possible over the western regions, only isolated thunderstorms for the surrounding areas and a northeasterly wind blowing fresh at times along the coast. Foggy at first over the Highveld and around the escarpment, later scattered thunderstorms possible over the southern parts of the Highveld, a hot afternoon in store with 31 in Emalahleni, and then we are expecting a light drizzle possible around the eastern escarpment in Limpopo, with foggy conditions around Polokwane, otherwise mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the lower to mid-30s into the afternoon. A mostly dry day in northwest with partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the lower to mid-30s with 33 in Klerksdorp, 35 in Taung. In the northern Cape, we have an onshore flow of air bringing cloudy conditions to the western coast, windy at times over the southern and central areas, remaining hot with temperatures in the mid-30s and isolated thunderstorms yet again possible into the afternoon over the eastern areas of the northern Cape as well as parts of the Free State, 33 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, 29 in Harrismith. In Gauteng, we are expecting isolated thunderstorms into the afternoon after a hot afternoon with 33 in Pretoria and 31 in Johannesburg. Isolated thunderstorms possible over the extreme eastern areas, mainly from the afternoon. On Friday, we're still expecting light showers around the southwestern and the southern coast, isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms for the eastern areas, with temperatures now peaking in the lower to mid-30s over the eastern part of the country, 34 in Pretoria and Richards Bay, and remaining hot here in parts of the northern Cape as well as the Free State. On Saturday, we are expecting showers and thunderstorms yet again over the eastern parts of the country, remaining hot over the extreme northeastern areas, but a bit cooler now in KwaZulu-Natal with 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, partly cloudy skies in Cape Town with a high of 25. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Thursday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.